Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view WhatsApp status without letting them know. So I will show you a trick. So first of all, let me open my WhatsApp. Here is the status section. So let's say I want to see this status. As you can see, I am watching his status. Now let me go to my second WhatsApp. Go to my status, and as you can see, if I go to this view section, it says no views yet, but I watch this status, but there is no view showing here. As you can see here, I watch this status again, but it's showing there is no view. So how you can do that? I'm going to show you a trick. There are some downsides as well for this trick. I will show you. So first of all, just tap on these three dots and go to settings. In settings, you can see this option. So just go for this privacy. In privacy, you can see there are lot of options like last seen, profile photo, about, status. So if you go to this status, you can see only one setting here, like how many people you want to share your status with. So if I go back, you can see there is no other settings related to status. So there is an old trick. As you can see, this read receipts, and you can read this. If turned off, you won't send or receive read receipts. Read receipts are always sent for group chats. If you don't want to send or receive read receipts, you can simply turn this off. If you turn this off, the read receipts not only turned off in messages, but it will turn off in status as well. You can view anybody's status and they won't know that you viewed or not. But the downside is, if you open your status, you also can't see that who viewed your status. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can view WhatsApp status without letting them know. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.